Hey there, Finance Gate crew. I'm not your go-to guy for all things money, and today I have something juicy for you. 10 side hustles to make some cash. I'm not just throwing random ideas at you. These are hustles that I've actually tried, struggled with, and turned into real money makers. My goal? Help you go from stressing over bills to stacking some extra dollars, all while keeping it super simple and fun. No fancy finance degree needed, just a willingness to hustle a little. You see, I used to be broke, like eating ramen every night broke, but I figured out the side gigs and they've been lifesavers. Whether you're saving for something big, paying off debt, or just want cash for pizza nights, I've got you covered. This is gonna be a long one, over 1800 words, but I'm breaking it all down so even the simplest soul, no offense, can get it. We're aiming for a 12 to 18-minute video vibe, so grab a drink, settle in, and let's chat about how you can make money on the side. Oh, and don't skip to the end. I've got a bonus tips that could turbocharge your earnings. 10 side hustles to make some money. Number 1, freelancing, turning what you're good at into cash. Freelancing was my first big win. Imagine me fresh out of school, no job, just a laptop and some writing skills. I started on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, places where people pay you to do stuff like write, design logos, or even edit videos. My first job, writing a 500-word blog post for $20. I thought I did hit the jackpot. Now, after a ton of practice and pitching, I can make $50 or even $100 an hour. You don't need to write, maybe you draw, code, or manage social media. Whatever it is, someone out there needs it. How to start? Super easy. Make a little showcase of your work, like a few drawings or a couple of paragraphs you wrote. Sign up on those websites I've mentioned and start offering your skills. Even if you're new, charge a little at first, then raise your price as you get better. Noah's story, I messed a lot at first, like forgetting deadlines, but I kept going and soon people were asking me for help. Why? It's cool. You work when you want and it's all online. Watch out, it can be slow at first, so don't give up. Think of it like planting a seed. It grows if you keep at it. Number 2, driving for ride-sharing services. Your car, your cash. Got a car? You can make it pay you. I drove for Uber a while back and it was wild. My first night, I was so nervous I drove in circles, but then my phone buzzed with a ride request. I'd drive after my day job or on weekends, making $20 an hour, sometimes $30 when it was busy, like late nights when bars closed. Plus, I met cool people, some told me wild stories, others just sat in the back. How to make more money. Drive when tons of people need rides, like Friday nights or during big events. Pick busy spots like downtown. Keep track of gas money so you know what you're really earning. Nasty, I'd bring water for passengers. They loved it, and some did extra. Why? It's great. You pick your hours, heads up, gas and car fixes cost money, so plan for that. But if you like driving and chatting, it's a sweet deal. Number 3, online tutoring or teaching. Share what you know. I'm pretty good at explaining things, so I tried online tutoring with VIP Kids, teaching English to kids online. I'd log in early mornings or evenings, making $15 to $25 an hour. It fit around my schedule, and seeing a kid say hello for the first time because of me, that's gold. You can teach math, science, or anything you're good at on sites like tutor.com. How to start? Simple. Pick something you know, like how to add numbers or speak Spanish. Sign up on tutoring website, make a profile, just say who you are and start teaching. You need a computer and internet, that's it. Noah's story, one kid drew me a picture after a lesson. Oh, melted my heart. Why is it awesome? You help people and make money. What's tricky, it can tire you out, but you can do it from home, even in pajamas. Number 4, pet sitting or dog walking. Hang with pets, get paid. I love dogs, so pet sitting was a dream gig. On Rover, I'd walk dogs or stay with them when their owners were away. $20 to $50 a day per pet. One time, I watched this big, goofy dog named Max. We played fish, I fed him, and I got paid to chill with him. It's not all fun. Sometimes you clean up messes, but if you love animal, it's perfect. How to get going? Sign up on Rover or VAC or put up flyers where you live, like at the grocery store. Tell people you're trustworthy with pets. Nosti, take cute photos with the pet's owner. Love updates. Hawaii, it's fun. Pets are the best co-worker. Be ready. Know how to feed them or handle little emergencies, like if they eat something weird. Number 5, selling products online. Make stuff, sell stuff. Selling online was a game changer. I started making funny t-shirts like one with silly sayings and sold them on Etsy. My first month, $500. You can sell crafts, old stuff on eBay, or even try drop shipping, selling stuff you don't make yourself on Shopify. It takes effort, packing, shipping, answering questions, but it's like running a tiny shop from your couch. How to start? Easy. Make something you like, maybe bracelets or cool drawings, put it online, take nice pictures and wait for buyers. Start small so you don't stress. Noah's story. My first sale was a shirt that said Nap Queen. Someone bought it 5 minutes after I listed it. Why it works? People love unique things. What's hard? It takes time to get noticed, but once you do, it's cash in your pocket. Number 6, participating in online surveys or market research. Tiny work, tiny cash. This one's so simple, it's almost cheating. I do surveys on swag bugs while watching TV. $50 to $100 a month for clicking buttons. Once I did a Zoom chat about chips for $75. It's not big money, but it's easy, like pocket change for your opinions. How to do it? Sign up on Survey Junkie or Swagbucks. Answer questions about stuff you buy or like. Do it when you are bored, like on the bus. Nosti, don't expect millions, it's just extra coffee money. Why it's nice? No skills, no stress. Watch out, avoid shady sites promising tons of cash. They're usually fake. Number 7, renting out a room or property on Airbnb. Your space pays you. If you've got an extra room, Airbnb can make it rain cash. I rented out my spare room, pulling in $50 to $100 a night. I added a cheap lamp and some snacks, and people loved it. You clean a lot and talk to guests, but the money is worth it. I've met travelers from all around the world, like this guy from Japan who taught me origami. How to be awesome? Keep it clean, answer messages fast, and maybe leave a list of fun local spots. Take good photos too. Noah's story. One guest left me a thank you note. Felt like a rock star. Why it's big? You're using what you already have. Check this. Some places have rules about renting, so look it up first. Number 8, creating and selling digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. Digital products are my favorite lazy money trick. I made budgeting spreadsheet, took me a weekend and sold it for $10 each on Gumroad, sold 100 copies in a month, $1,000 with no extra work. You can sell guides, art, or anything people download. It's like magic money after you make it. How to start? Simple. Make something useful like a list of cooking tips. Put it online, tell people about it, and let it sell while you sleep. Noah's story. My first sale felt unreal. I was asleep when it happened. Why it's sweet? You work once, earn forever. What's tough? Making it takes time, but then it's easy street. Number 9, offering virtual assistant services. How people get paid. I got into virtual assisting when a friend needed help with his business. I would organize emails, schedule stuff, or post on social media. $20 to $30 an hour, all from home. It's perfect if you're good at keeping things straight and don't mind juggling tasks. How to find work. Look on LinkedIn or ask people you know. Small businesses love cheap help. Noah's tip, be super nice and fast. People hire you again. Why it's hot? Everyone's working online now. You need just a computer and some focus. Number 10, starting a blog or YouTube channel. Build something big. This one's my baby. Finance get started as me talking about money on YouTube. It took months of no views, but I kept going. Now it's my main gig. Blogs are the same, write about what you love and money comes from ads or sponsors later. How to keep going. Pick something fun, post a lot, and talk to your fans. It's slow but it grows. Noah's story, my first $100 from YouTube felt like winning the lottery. Why it's worth it. It can get huge, be patient, it's not fast money but it's yours. Bonus tip, mix and match for more cash. Here's my secret sauce, don't just do one, combine them, out drive for Uber, do service while waiting, and work on videos at night. Pick hustles that fit your life, like pet sitting if you love dogs or service if you're lazy, no shame. Stack them up and your wallet will thank you. There you have it, 10 side hustles I've lived through, explained so simply anyone can jump in. From freelancing to chilling with pets, these are real ways to make money. Start with one, take it slow and build from there. I was broke mess once, but this hustle saved me and they can save you too. Check out my last video on money mistakes if you haven't. It's a must, and next time I'll show you how to manage all this new cash. Got a hustle you love? Tell me below, I want to hear. Catch you soon. I am new to this, so don't forget to share what you feel in the comments. Noah, your finance gate, Paul.